Welcome back, friends. Stock futures in the United States are higher this Wednesday, following a fourth straight day of losses for the S&P 500. Investors are also waiting for earnings from the market bellwether Nvidia. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average are up 55 points or 0.12%. Nasdaq futures up 0.68%. Stocks are coming after a weak session on Wall Street. S&P 500 tumbled 0.5% and Nasdaq lost nearly 1.4%. Both indexes logged their fourth consecutive losing day. A weaker than expected consumer confidence reading from the conference board weighed on stocks on Tuesday. A raft of recent reports, including disappointing retail sales numbers and a weak consumer sentiment reading, have spurred traders' worries around the economy over the past week, and the major indexes have suffered. Nvidia's fourth quarter earnings, due after the closing bell on Wednesday, could be the next catalyst for the market. The report arrives at a pivotal time for Nvidia. The emergence of DeepSeek has raised questions about the sustainability of the once hot artificial intelligence trade, AI trade, as people call it. The chip giant and the other momentum plays are also showing signs of fizzling, with Nvidia down more than 5% in 2025. As the earnings report comes out, expectations are going anywhere, and my expectation is that it should meet expectations and possibly do quite good as well. A replay maybe of the September quarter and may even surpass. A replay of the September quarter where they will beat the analyst expectations is what I forecast. It's not an easy thing to forecast, so if I go wrong, please condone me, but that's what I believe. Yes, now whether the market expectations will be met is another story, but they should come out with good earnings. Economic data due on Wednesday in the United States includes new home sales and building permits. The main event for the investors, of course, will be the release of the PCE, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, on Friday. It is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge. So in addition to Hong Kong, in addition to what's going on with the Hong Kong trade and the Nvidia results and the PCE numbers, there is other piece of data also which can turn on or off the markets, and I'll come to that in a bit. Hong Kong's Hang Seng has been on a great rise, and it climbed 3.25% in its last hour of trade today. Gains were led by the consumer and the technology sectors, as Hong Kong has pledged in its budget announcement today to develop itself into an artificial intelligence hub, allocating 1 billion Hong Kong dollars towards AI research and development. The Hong Kong Hang Seng Tech Index surged 4.46% in its last hour of trading on the back of a sharp rise in JD.com, Xpeng, and also Alibaba. Alibaba I have been suggesting in my Premium Elite and Premium Plus groups for some time. And Muton also up 9.71%. The fantastic rise in these Chinese shares and Hong Kong shares has led to some sort of a funds reallotment, and India has been at the back end. There has been a lot of foreign institutional money that has come out of India and into Hong Kong and China, mainland China. CSI 300 index which ended the day today 0.87 percentage higher at 3,959. So, on the other hand, the red hot countries like India, which have done well over the last few years, has fared extremely poorly, and also on the back of a falling Indian rupee as compared to the US dollar. One hopes that the government will, RBI has taken some steps, but I believe that some more steps need to be taken by the Indian government to be able to correct this fall. One good thing is that they have come out with an announcement yesterday that the risk weightage attached to the non-banking finance companies will be reduced shortly. So it will be reduced to 100% weightage as compared to 125% risk weightage. So I think that should be a little positive for the NBFCs and for the banks as well. So as they open for trading on Thursday, the overall direction of the market, of course, is a composite, and banks and NBFCs are also only one part. So all total impact we'll have to still gauge. And I believe that as far as the Indian markets, also they look to be overcorrected and some rebound is in the offing. That does not mean go early morning tomorrow and chase the index, but I think we are nearing a short-term rebound. There are going to be wild swings and some major movements. Such major movements are expected over the next 4 months that you'll be shocked. Do join our Premium Plus, which gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance, plus some good multi-bagger recommendations for the Indian markets. For the Premium Value Plus gives you a week predictions in advance. You can join that as well, and using the Mahashivratri special offer. Both are fantastic packages, just at a nominal cost, for all the very high quality inputs and scientific analysis we provide you on a regular basis. 1 week in advance is not an easy prediction for anybody to make in such a volatile market environment with so many moving parts. So we just a very small fraction, extremely small fraction of our total data costs, we try and get reimbursed. But do join any of our Telegram groups, and I'm sure you will benefit immensely. Wish you all a very, very happy Mahashivratri, and God bless you all. And do WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044 to join any of our groups. And let me end this video with thanks and a prayer to Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Take care. Bye-bye.